just leave it there. Okay, so today we are. So today,
Hey, it's snowing!
where?
Yellow! We know how to open it either. We need a knife. Yeah.
Kaboom! Shimmy. Oh, not too close.
Banana.
Hibiscus.
Banana.
What?
Banana.
Okay.
I found it big.
This is down from the mango.
Yeah, yummy. Yan, sarap.
Look at that.
That
Is the most local oyster
Lami.
you can ever have.
You.
Margie's very happy. What do you think,
try,
Django?
Not rocket science. And who do we have over here? Yes, that's right, the infamous Harry. Harry Houdini, who likes to escape.
So you can see the bikes that have already been stranded, we couldn't make it through. Okay, let's go. Stuck already. So here's Django and Mama up in the tree. It's the first time this mango tree has been pruned. Just like the many more we have after it to do over there. We've got about 40 on the land we've got to do. So I totally forgot to feed the chickens earlier. That's the coconut grounds you got there. They are, look. Ow, can you reach there?
I can't.
Oh, did you get it?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. Teal, can you get that for us? Oh, that's a heavy one. Look at that. Fresh mango.
You gotta catch it first, Django.
Okay. Never been a fan of oysters myself. Oh, here comes Jubel. Jubel wants an oyster.
Buy one.
I love a good old bit of coconut. That's how far I got. I've got to get all the way through there. Living in paradise.